that has had a great run-up in the last decade. Nigel, take it away.
Right, Prashant, we always talk about big gains that have been made in the cement space. So I said, let's do one thing. Let's plot a graph with the last 10 years, the last decade, how have various cement companies done. So you just take a look at it. Everyone talks about Shree Cement. That's the star from North India. That's given you returns of around 1,800%. But even Sagar Cement caught my eye because that stock, in fact, has given you returns of close to around 2,000% just in the last 10 years or so. Let's get up the bar graph. That'll give you a clearer picture. That'll, in fact, tell you the kind of gains you've made. So ACC Ambuja, they've been relative underperformers. Ultratech Cement has given you 500% return. But just take a look at Sagar Cement. 5 million ton plant. Sagar Cement is, Shree Cement is much bigger than it. But everyone talks about it being a wealth creator. So this one, in fact, caught my eye. Let's take you through a few more details then about the company. If you take a look at Sagar Cement in the last few years, the capacity has been increasing. So it's increased its capacity by around 9-fold from 500,000 ton to around 4.5 million tons approximately. So how do the numbers stack up then? On an EV per ton basis, if you pull those numbers up, it has a debt of around 430 crores. Market capitalization after today's big run is around 1,000. All right, that's the EV per ton calculation. It's at around 53, around $55 per ton. If you could get the other plate up, which calculates the EV per ton, the debt is at around 430 crores approximately. Market capitalization of around 1,200 crores. So that gives you a rough EV per ton of around $55 per ton. Let's move on then. What is the shareholding then? The promoter has around 57%. There's a big Belgium-based fund that has around 19% in the company and a couple of other big funds. So it's a very tightly held company if you take a look at the shareholding pattern. Then moving on, then what are the key triggers really going ahead? Remember, the financials haven't been very great for the company, but this is from their PPT that they've given in August 2016. They're looking to increase the capacity to around 6.5 million tons. So that's a 30% uptake from the current levels. And you also look at it, they're saying that they're looking to reduce their debt. From currently, it's at around 4x EBITDA upon debt. Now they're looking at to reduce it to around 3x. Interesting to see how this is done, whether the EBITDA can expand so much, or in fact, if they're looking at some kind of infusion. And they're looking to increase the EBITDA per ton from currently around 500, 550 rupees per ton to around 800 rupees per ton by 2021. Finally, what are the key triggers going ahead? Then remember, they had acquired BMM Ispat. Currently, that company is more profitable than the standalone entity, that is Sagar Cement. So the benefits of the BMM plant will come through. Before, they were sending all the cement from Andhra Pradesh to Karnataka. Now what happens is that BMM is situated closer towards Karnataka. So they save on freight cost as well going ahead. And there has been an increase in prices in Andhra Pradesh in the last couple of months. So let's see how their second quarter numbers really pan out. That's going to be the real big defining moment for the company. Interesting stock. It has been a big wealth creator. Just thought I'll put it out to our viewers. We always talk about Shree Cement, but from the south, there's one company, Hyderabad-based company, that's given you big returns. Back to you.